is up people, welcome back to Indian Asphalt after a very long time. So today I have this new RS200 2019 edition this is, and this is a non-ABS version and it belongs to a friend of mine. So I've been riding this bike since the day one, and it has done approximately 2000 kilometers, so it's quite new. So I'll be giving you a short overview or sort of a review of this 2019 edition, what all improvements have been done and what all changes has been made to this version, to the 2019 one. So let's fuel up first and then we'll move. Spiso.info. Okay, that's a BMW GS. Wow, what a beautiful looking machine. And we have got a couple of more beautiful bikes, yeah. So going by the spec sheet, this has the same 2000 or that's where. So yeah, going to the spec sheet, this has the same 200cc engine, produces the same power as the 2018 version, has everything same. The only difference that the company has made is the vibration problems have they are quite low now, but not completely gone, but they are still there. There is a slight vibration on foot pegs, some vibration on the handlebar, and only a bit of vibration on the seat that you can only feel at high RPMs. Otherwise the bike doesn't vibrate anyone. There is no body noise or something, because the earlier version used to have vibration noises on the front portion of the bike. So this doesn't have that, and the power delivery is quite smooth. Engine is still the same, but it's running quite smoothly. There's no noise, no any sort of kit pit wali. That's the famous thing that Pulsars do. As I was telling, that the power delivery on this bike is quite impressive. And why am I saying that? I'll just show you. Talking about the power delivery is really smooth. The bike literally pulls off at 7,000 to 8,000 RPMs. Although the low end torque is not that much, but it's still quite good. So you can expect good power delivery in city traffic as well, and highways. I just showed you what it can do. The main thing that I like about this RS200 design is that it's not too aggressive, because its competitors like the R15, the RC200, they are quite they are having a quite aggressive seating position, so it can be hard to ride them for a longer time. But with this you don't have any sort of problems. The upright position is quite comfortable. The handlebars are raised, so it's giving me a quite good comfort and everything. The controlling is also really good. If these particular handlebars were somewhat over here, the seating position, and there would be a hell lot of pain on the back and the shoulders and the arms. So that's a good thing on this bike, that Bajaj has kept the handlebar position in such a way that it's sporty when you need it, and it's quite comforting at the same time. Now, although being a Bajaj owner myself, I'm not a big fan of how these Pulsars brake. I mean, if you guys own a Pulsar, or if you guys have ridden a Pulsar, you must be knowing why am I saying this, because the only stopping power that you get is from the front wheel, and the rear wheel in Pulsars is almost it doesn't do anything. You press it too hard and you will end up crashing in someone's face or something. So not a big fan of Pulsar's braking, but the RS200, the brakes haven't been improved, but yes, the braking power is quite good or decent, whatever you can want to say, you can say, but it's not very good. Like the R15, that thing can literally shatter this machine in terms of braking. Now, one thing more that I hate about this bike are those things, those that are called mirrors on these things. They are shit, and yes, I don't hesitate in saying them and calling them a shit, because they are a shit. Shitty shit. If you want to adjust them, you'll have to go like this, and you'll have to get one leg off the bike, and then you will try to adjust the mirrors. And even if you adjust them, half of the mirrors will be covered with your arms and this portion of your chest portion of your body. So hardly 40% or 50% of the area is only there for the rear traffic that you can see. Now, it's quite a sunny day and pretty hot actually, although I'm riding a bike, so the wind is enough to keep me cool, but it's quite a sunny day and I'm enjoying this. Almost 150 without any, stress. I think this can do better. I'm really sure of that. I can do better on this one. So it was a quite good and impressive ride on this thing. So the question remains still, that should you buy this bike even in 2019? Well, let's consider a few points. Good amount of power, good engine, and the design also looks quite appealing and quite fantastic. Projector headlamps, triple spark, super smooth engine. Although there are bits of slight vibration on this thing, the brakes aren't that excellent, but other than that, for 1,50,000 it's a complete thumbs up. I mean, if you are considering this bike, you can close your eyes and go for it, because it won't let you down in any aspect. And I too am in love with this bike. So guys, I think with that we have just came to an end of this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a like and smash that subscribe button if you are new to the channel. Till then, ride safe, wear all your safety gears and everything. I'll see you in your next vlog. Till then, this is Indian Asphalt signing out. Bye bye.